Hello YouTube, I'm Sai Haridas. Today we'll be discussing about setting up Java for development purposes, and that too without the help of an IDE. The reason why we are discussing about this is because it covers a lot of good basics in Java, and also this knowledge carries forward in J2E. So let's get started. To see if the system is already set up with Java, what we need to do is go to command prompt and type in Java. So for now, if you say Java, you don't see anything that comes up. So it says that it doesn't recognize what Java command stands for. Now to go and set up, what you need to do is go to internet and type download Java Jdk and go to Oracle site and click on the Java, accept the license agreement and click on the download. So for now I'm downloading JDK 8U144. You can do whatever version that shows up as latest. By the way, I already downloaded it, so I'm going to cancel this download and delete it. I have this here, so I'm going to double click and it will ask me to say okay. I have to say yes. Yeah, it takes a minute to bring this up, and let's say next. If you see, it is installing on C program files, the path that it is extracting all these. So let's go to the path once it is done. So it says C program files JDK. So it is asking me, so should I change it? So just say next. Installing. So it says it's successfully installed. So generally it would, if you don't change the location, it would go and download the folder at C program files Java and JDK. This is what we downloaded. So for us to use this particular program, we need to go and give this path and the path variable. So if you want to know more about how path variable works and what is the significance of path variable, please check out my previous videos on command prompt and path variables. So we'll just go ahead and bring up our environment variables. We click on environment variables, and then so here it is for the user who's logged in, and this is for all the users. So I'll just go to path and for all the users and say edit. And if your operating system is after Windows 10, then you'll see this kind of pop-up. Otherwise you'll just see one straight line. And now you'll just say new and paste the path where you downloaded and extracted the Java. So for me it is C program files Java JDK, whatever version it is, and /bin, and say okay, and say okay again, and say okay again. Now earlier we were not able to bring it up. Now let's see if we will be able to test it out. So it still doesn't recognize because we need to restart the system. So let me go ahead and pause the video here and restart my system. So I restarted my system back, and let's bring up the command prompt and let's say Java. Now you can see that it is recognizing the command Java. If you want to know what version of Java is installed, all you have to say is Java -version, and it will say that whatever version is downloaded. So that ends our quick session. I hope you found this quick session useful. So stay tuned to our channel to get more such tips and tricks and some programming stuff that is coming along. Thank you.